perfect. That is the only way that I could describe being outdoors in this beautiful weather. Temperature is lower 70s with a nice breeze, sun's out, trees, leaves, birds and animals. It's absolutely spectacular. And the reason why I'm making this video is I want to share with you how perfect nature, the outdoors can be. And if you're wanting a spot that's always going to put a smile on your face, well, you could always count on nature. It's absolutely free. Just go outside, enjoy this perfect environment and world that we live in. And hopefully there's not bad weather in your area, but whenever the weather's good and you have conditions like this, it just makes it that much more awesome to appreciate what we have here.